Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. It is your girl Neriah. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are back with another wig tutorial today. Huge shout out to Black Girl Magic Hair for sponsoring today's video. You already know, okay? I want to say this is probably one of my top 2 wig companies out there, okay? Look at that lace. Just look at the lace, okay? Look at the sleekness of the hair. You get a full 9x6 closure, you get the band, and it also has removable clips, so you can take them out or put them back in as you please. I really love this wig. It is their Mcap wig. It is so world renowned right now. Trust me, if you're wearing wigs, baby, you want the Mcap wig, okay? Because honestly, there's nothing to it but to do it. You throw it on right out the box, and baby, you have yourself a beautiful wig. It's so constructed nicely. It's gorgeous, it's silky. It's definitely one of those wigs that you need in your collection. Huge shout out to Black Girl Magic Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm such a fan of their work. I have 2 previous wigs from them as well, and they still held up. The quality is still amazing. So this company is gonna last, and I highly recommend them. Make sure you check out the description box below so that you can get one of your own. But girl, just look at that lace, like right out the box. I didn't do nothing. I don't know how they pluck their wigs. I don't know how they construct them, but I really need a lesson on how they pluck them wigs, because baby, they eat every single time, okay? So here's me putting makeup on the lace. That's really all you need to do. I did not have to cut anything. I didn't do anything to the hair, so I didn't cut any layers. This is extremely how the hair comes right out of the box. I'm obsessed with this wig, and I'm just adjusting the back because that lace, the band that comes with it, I always like to adjust it and make sure it fits the back of my head really snug. So that is what we are doing here. I'm plucking away just a little bit of flyaways because you know, sometimes they can get in the way. If you do decide to do this, just be very careful. But just those little stragglers, I do like to pluck them away, so it just gives me a seamless look on my hairline. And baby, that is really it. You're gonna see me straighten this hair, but honestly, the hair really doesn't have to be straightened. It's very obvious how silky and flowy this hair is. I didn't have to put oil on it. I didn't have to do nothing. This is straight out of the box. When I was flat ironing the hair, it was very important that I made sure I turned the heat down on the flat iron. You don't want to burn the hair and mess up the cuticles and stuff. So I don't think it's necessary to have your flat iron on the highest setting when flat ironing this hair, because you see it already comes bone straight. So I don't flat iron it on the highest setting. I do turn it down, and it just makes all the difference. Like I said, I didn't have to put any product on it, and baby, that's it. I mean, just look, it's flawless. It's flawless, silky straight. It is completely flawless. At this point, as you can see, I'm pretty much done. I'm brushing the hair. I'm really trying to get those flyaways down. And another thing with these wigs, personally, I don't like to add product because, like I said, I just feel like it takes away from the structure of the wig. I don't want it to weigh down. I don't want it to get any grease on it, or just for it to feel greasy right out of the pack. As you can see, this is no product on the hair. It looks completely flawless. Look at the lace. Look at the lace. No makeup on the lace. I didn't have to put makeup on the part. I mean, I like to keep these wigs as they are because, like I said, we don't want to ruin the structure of the wig because it's really nice and really silky and really bouncy. So yeah, girl, this is it. I mean, this is the wig. Can you believe it? Like, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. If you need an on-the-go unit, baby, I'm talking about if you're not professional at wigs, if you truly don't know what you're doing, this is definitely the one for you. These Mcap wigs have truly changed the game, so I don't think I will ever be going back to anything else, to be honest. If it ain't pre-plucked, if it ain't pre-bleached, baby, it ain't for me. Okay, so huge shout out to Black Girl Magic for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you get your hands on one today, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.